Hi everyone, it's Kieran here, a Magical Traveller. Hope you're having a great day. Today we are actually in Barcelona. We have come here ahead of our Virgin Voyages cruise that we'll be doing tomorrow. So we arrived today and we decided to have a pre-night stay, and I thought I'd share one of the hotels we've decided to pick for this trip, just so you can get a feel for kind of what this hotel's like. Now we're staying in the Abba Sants hotel, which is right near the main train station. So we've literally just arrived at Barcelona airport, taken a short train which cost about €10 for the two of us, and then done a 5-minute walk then here to this hotel, and then we'll do that again tomorrow then to actually be able to get the metro straight to the cruise terminal. So it's really convenient if you are looking to kind of do a bit of a cruise pre or post day, which is why we chose this hotel. But I thought I'd just give you a little quick look around it. Now, just to give you a bit of a bearings, this is the front door when you come in. We are on the 8th floor and we do have a really nice treat, which I'll show you guys in a bit. But that's just as you come in, and then straight ahead of you then you've got this really cool wardrobe, which has tons of storage space, including a safe big enough for a laptop or iPad if you needed to. They've got laundrette service as well, which is really handy if you are going to be staying for a bit longer or maybe post-cruise and need to freshen up. Loads of drawer space. And then over here as well, then you've got an ironing board, which again is really handy to have. A blanket, which Barcelona in the summer, can't imagine you needing that, but in the winter maybe if you want to sit outside, could be quite handy. And again, loads of storage space as well there if you do need to hang things up. Probably not going to use that if you're staying for a night or two pre or post cruise, but again, good to have. I'm going to jump into the bathroom quickly, just to show you now. Really nice, modern, spacious bathroom. Generous number of toiletries, including a comb, which you don't see very often. This is a 4-star resort, sort of hotel even. So I think this is actually really generous to get kind of this amount of toiletries. Again, water there as well. So if you want to have a drink in the room, you can do. Plenty of towels. And again, massive mirror, absolutely huge mirror. So there's no fighting over kind of 2 or maybe even 3 of you getting ready in the space. Even if there is only one basin, plenty of room for you to get ready. And again, you've got a vanity magnifying mirror there as well, which are always everyone's worst enemy, including a hairdryer as well attached to the wall. Again, really spacious bath and shower unit, really modern, lovely and clean. With a nice little window there as well, that's obviously frosted so you don't see out. And again, more gorgeous, really fluffy towels there as well. So a really nice touch there as well. And then just over here then, you've got your toilet as well as a bidet. You know you're in Europe when you get a bidet in your room. So again, if you use them, great to have. And then I guess if you need to ring anyone on the toilet, you've got that as well. But again, just a really nice, spacious bathroom, great for getting ready. And then look how cool this room is. It's absolutely lovely. So again, just walking in, full length mirror, which is where we started off here then as well. So again, more space if you need to get ready. You've then also got a trouser press, which I think that's more of a corporate hotel thing, but again, just really handy to have. And then on the bed, then again, really nice, spacious king bed. And I love this detail behind the bed. Look at that mural you've got there, mural there you've got. Which again, a little bit of a tease, you can see there the cruise port. So again, they're clearly aware of the cruise. There's going to be a reason why a lot of people are going to be staying in this hotel, but really lovely detail to have that behind you and really spacious as well. Now, there are no USB sockets by the side of the bed, so there are kind of a lack of charging points. On that note, we've only so far found 2 plugs in the rooms. You've got kind of this one here, which obviously the hotel phone is plugged into, as well as this one here on the desk area. So charging devices could be a bit of an issue, so make sure you kind of come prepared for that, but just to make you aware of that. Now there is a room service menu here as well, which we've had a quick little look at, as well as there is a restaurant facility downstairs as well, so if you want to go down and have a meal there as well, you can do that. And there is a mini bar as well, or a mini fridge if you wanted to store things in there, so you kind of can store bottles of water and things like that. Now that water was in our room, complimentary, but you can obviously then bring your own drinks into it if you wanted to. Again, really lovely mirror. So again, not mirror, TV even, sorry. And then you've got your kind of temperature controls there for the air conditioning, which again, really handy to have, especially in the kind of warmer weather as we're just approaching. Now, I just want to tease this as well. We found this, so Phil's currently sat out there recharging his phone, but just to show you, say hi, Phil. So then we've got this really lovely outdoor balcony space, which is really spacious. Now, I don't know if this comes with every room. I didn't particularly book the room knowing we were getting this, but how fantastic is this to have? And again, these amazing views of Barcelona. So this is going to be incredible to watch kind of at sunrise and sunset as well. How gorgeous. And then just over there in the distance, straight ahead there, that's where the cruise terminal is. So you kind of get a bit of a tease of it from here as well. Really lovely family park there as well. If you've got young ones with you and you want to pop out for a little bit of fresh air and a bit of a park, you've got the choice. And you are quite close to your neighbours, so obviously make sure you're conscientious of that if you are sharing next to somebody. But yeah, guys, just thought I'd give you a quick little look of our room here. This is the Abba Sants Hotel in Barcelona. Like I say, really great option if you are thinking of maybe doing a cruise from Barcelona and you need somewhere to stay pre-night or post-night. Definitely a great option to consider that. And again, if you are thinking of booking a cruise, definitely have a chat to us. We are cruise specialists. We love nothing more than helping people book cruises. In this case, we are booking a Virgin Voyages cruise, but I know definitely you can get a Royal Caribbean cruise from here, Disney Cruise Lines, as well as many other favourite ones as well, like MSC as well. So definitely, if you are thinking of sailing in the Mediterranean, do give us a call and we'd love to help you. Other than that, guys, all the best. Take care. Bye.